Hi, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I teach Korean learners what's called 사자성어, which is phrases we use a lot in Korea. I made a video for you to understand what it is, so make sure you watch this video first if you haven't watched it. And all of the videos on my YouTube is based on what I've been posting on my Instagram, so if you are interested to learn more phrases like this, check out my Instagram as well. Now let's get into today's lesson. In today's video, we are going to learn 동병상련. We got 4 characters here. Let's look at each one of them. 동 means the same. 병 means illness. 상 means mutual or bilateral. 련 means to pity. It's literally what it appears to be. Two people having the same illness, meaning they are suffering or have suffered the same kind of pain, so they can relate to each other. They understand how the other person is feeling. For example, a person who has lost his family from a car accident could relate to another person who has lost her family from a car accident. When it comes to how to use it, the phrase 동병상련 refers to the fact that particular people are sharing the same kind of pain. So when you encounter one of those situations and want to state that that's the case, you say 동병상련. We learned the phrase called 동고동락 in one of my videos, which you might confuse with this one. But there's slight yet clear differences between those two. 1. 동병상련 only talks about bad situations, whereas 동고동락 includes both good and bad times. 2. You don't have to spend a long time with someone in order to feel 동병상련. It only takes one bad occasion to use the phrase as long as there are people who share the same experience. Let me give you an example. 요즘 경기가 안 좋아서 그런지 우리 식당에 사람이 별로 없어. 우리 카페도 그래. 우리 동병상련이다. And one more example. 여름 휴가는 어땠어? 나는 애들 데리고 다니느라 정신이 없었어. 동병상련이네. 나도 3일이 어떻게 지나가는지 모르겠어. I put the English translation of the examples and the Korean version of the whole script in the description below, so check them out. If you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language in general, let me know in the comment. I will try to help you with that. If you want to learn more phrases like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.